In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Buy It Now button on product pages. This is an essential feature for any online store as it helps drive purchases by making it easy for customers to complete their transactions quickly. If you're finding that this button is missing on your site, don't worry. With just a few simple steps, you can resolve this issue and ensure that your customers have a seamless and efficient shopping experience. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage and customize various aspects of your online store. Look for the option labeled Customize. This is your gateway to adjusting the settings for your site. Once you've clicked on Customize, your next step is to locate default products in the list of options. Click on this and then proceed to select Products. This area of the dashboard allows you to manage how your product pages appear and function, ensuring they meet your specific needs and preferences. Now direct your attention to the option labeled Buy Button. The Buy Button section is crucial because here is where you can control the presence of the button itself. This is the part we need to tweak in order to resolve the issue of the missing button. Within the Buy Button settings, you'll come across the Dynamic Checkout Buttons option. This function needs to be toggled on. By ensuring that Dynamic Checkout Buttons is switched to On, you're enabling the visibility of the Buy It Now button across your product pages. This feature is designed to optimize the checkout experience by making the purchase process quicker for customers who want to skip the cart and head straight to payment. It's important to double-check that this setting is correctly activated. Having the Dynamic Checkout Buttons toggled on is the key to solving the problem, as it directly affects whether the Buy It Now button appears on your site. Good practice here is to refresh your store's page after making this adjustment to confirm that the button is now visible. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step is absolutely essential. Without saving, the adjustments will not take effect, and you will not see any difference on your site. By clicking on Save, you are ensuring that all the changes you made are permanently applied to your store's theme. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily fix the missing Buy It Now button on your product pages and ensure that your customers can see and use this critical feature. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!